Alright guys, we're just getting to our first location here. Only our second time out, so we're still kind of learning, but I'm going to kind of show you what we do. Get you a shot at where we're at, where we're hunting off this bridge here. People fish back here, I don't know, may not find crap. You never know unless you try though, so. Alright guys, so a lot of you have been asking me like what magnet fishing is, that kind of stuff, so I'm just going to kind of show you what we're doing. So my dad bought these magnets here, I think they're 400 pound. You can get way bigger than that, but this is a good starter one. So like I said, this is only our second time ever doing it, so we're still learning too. But basically what you do is you got the magnet, you tie it down to the rope here. He's got something he learned on YouTube, a bottle cap, and melt that plastic around there from the bottle, and it'll keep some of that magnetic sand that you pull up off of it. But it's a good thing. It's got like, I think probably like 100-foot of rope or so, but I'm just gonna throw one out. This is our first cast of the day. Maybe we'll get lucky and bring something up. You never know. Let's see what happens. But just kind of throw it out in the water like that. Let it sink a little bit, get to the bottom. I usually give it a minute or so just to let it get where it's going. And you just slowly pull your magnet across the bottom there. Anything magnetic should come up with it, but usually takes a few casts. I just kind of wanted to show you what we do here. Bring it up to the top here. Oh, now I'm stuck on the thread. Get it up here at the top. Obviously we didn't come up with anything that cast, but now you got an idea of what it is, what it's about. If we find anything today, you'll see the video of it. Alright guys, first spot sucked, so we moved down the road a little bit. As you can see, kind of underneath some bridges here, there's a boat ramp off to the left. Just going to throw out and see if we can pick up anything. If we do, I'll let you know. Alright, well guys, we hit our second spot in the first throw. I got hooked up, so I had to do a little swimming, so I thought I'd share that with you. But we got our magnet back, so let's try and get something. Alright. Alright guys, so we'll find out. So we went to my dad's house that he grew up in. It's tore down, and dug around in there, and my grandpa farmed it, and so of course we found a bunch of old farm tools and stuff. Just kind of giving you a look at all the crap we found, mostly junk, but kind of like them rods. They're cool. An old antique C-clamp looks like. And this thing, not sure what it is quite yet. Try and clean it up. If anybody knows what it may be, let me know. Appreciate it.